Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple snack that you can take with chapatis. Yeah, so not every day chapati maragwe or chapati dengu. This is also something you can take and it's very yummy and very sweet. So let's get started. So if you can chop your cabbage, we're going to chop our cabbages. If you can buy cabbage that has already been chopped also, it's also fine. So we're chopping our cabbage into smaller pieces, and our ingredients are cabbage, carrots, garlic ginger paste, onions, capsicum, the green one. We're going to prepare them one by one. So grate your carrots, and then cut off your onions into smaller pieces. I'm using red onions. You can use any type of onion that you like. And then we're going to chop off our capsicum. You can also choose to add danias if you want. So chopping them into smaller pieces. Okay, dice your tomatoes. You can blend them or even dice them into smaller pieces. Pre-boiled, then add some onions, add cooking vegetable oil. That's my ginger garlic paste, just try it, mix it very well until it's well cooked. Then add in your tomatoes. I used 2 tomatoes, but I ended up using less. And then add your capsicum according to your liking and the amount of minced meat that you are making. Add in your grated carrots. I like to use a lot of carrots. Add in your spices. I'm using Reiko cube, which is also optional. And then just Add salt taste, don't forget. Then let it simmer for a while. Then you can add in your washed cabbage. Make sure they are washed well. Then you mix it, give it a good mix. And that's it. Yeah. Don't let it overcook. This is a very simple snack. As you can see, it doesn't take a lot of time. And if you have leftovers chapatis, or if you've cooked your chapatis, or you can buy from the kibanda. If you don't want to cook, you can wrap it up and there you have it. I don't know what to call it, but it's a very sweet snack. It is giving shawarma vibes, if you know what I mean. So enjoy your snack, and thank you very much for watching.